So HyperCare means, okay, the class is ended, okay, one last minute. So when a big issue comes, which we normally called, okay, small issue comes, okay, so one laptop issue, okay, we create an incident, okay, 100 laptops gone, okay, that big issue came. Last week, one big issue came. What is that big issue? Last month, one big issue came. Blue screen issue. Cloud, something. What is that, ma? Last week, Microsoft patch release version. What is that? Cloudware or something. What it is?
Cloudware shutdown.
No.
They're not able to access.
What is that issue name, ma? Blue screen issue.
Blue screen.
What is that blue screen?
Unable to log in.
Okay, CrowdStrike. Okay, CrowdStrike issue, right? So there is a company where because of that company patching, entire world is stuck. Okay, so not that much, but at least in our organization level, one big issue came. Okay, so the impact of the issue is like 1,000 people are facing the same common issue. Okay, in that case, we can't treat that as an incident. It will become treated as a problem or major incident management, whatever it is, a bigger issue. Okay, problem management is one of our ITSM management. Okay, so when a problem created, na, so as impacted is very severe, people are okay stuck with their ongoings. Then what we do is okay, we report as a problem ticket. So we could go to the system and then someone will create a problem ticket, same problem management, and then create it. Okay, then the problem severity everything will come. So when problem comes, na, right? Then this cannot be handled with the times. Okay, I can't say like okay, I will fix it tomorrow, I will fix it day after tomorrow. That and all we can't say when problem is created. That needs to be fixed as soon as possible. Then when this kind of situations comes in system, there will be a team, any kind of one specific team. They will open a call which is called as hypercare. It's a call, it's a meeting, simple meeting. So who got the issue? Add him. Okay, this issue is related to which application? Okay, maybe ServiceNow issue, ServiceNow related. Add ServiceNow people. Okay, his ServiceNow people joined and then said this is not issue with us, this is a database issue. Add the database people. Okay, don't leave ServiceNow people, add them, keep them. Okay, and it is because of network, add them, and then keep all of them. The hypercare call will run until the issue will be identified, find the root cause analysis, and then fixed, and then resolved, and all the people are happy, back to their work. So hypercare is a kind of a meeting call in emergency situations, means problem management, major incident management cases. Some okay, call will be opened, all the people will connect, and then they will work then and there till the issue fixes. So your friend was in hypercar means he was in a kind of dirty situation. Now you understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
Fine, everyone. Let's end it. Sorry to drag it. Okay, I'll try. I'll try to finish it in time. Okay, please. Bye, everyone.